Welcome to the informative mix. I am a Redmi 10A and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to Wi-Fi section. Just to activate Wi-Fi, let's click once on the switcher, and after that you'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use this one. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click here on the eye icon to have no some mistakes. I'll enter it out of screen. After that, just click here to connect. Wait a second. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. By the same way, you can select more networks here, enter the password and tap to connect. And after that, you can switch between them. For example, if you have the slow internet connection, Wi-Fi connection. Just to turn off Wi-Fi from here, you should click on this Wi-Fi switcher and that's it. Also, we have the second way how we can do that. Just first, we should open notification panel shortcuts, and after that here, we will find the Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate Wi-Fi, you should click here on this icon. To launch the Wi-Fi settings, click on the icon once again, hold for this icon for a while, and after that you'll just launch here Wi-Fi settings. Just to turn it off, you should click on the Wi-Fi icon and once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.